Let me give you some real numbers, not the kind of numbers you see in clickbait thumbnails with screenshots of dashboards that may or may not be real. Honest, research-backed figures for what people are actually earning by combining AI skills with consistent effort in 2026 across 4 distinct income streams that are genuinely accessible to anyone watching this video. Because the question I get asked more than any other is some version of this. Is it actually worth it? Is building an AI skill set, starting a content channel, or creating digital products with AI tools going to lead to real income? Or is this another thing that sounds good in theory, but doesn't work in practice? The honest answer is that it depends almost entirely on which income stream you pursue, how consistently you show up, and whether you understand the realistic timelines involved. So let's go through all 4, one by one, with the real numbers attached. Income stream 1 is YouTube AdSense, the one most people think of first when they imagine earning from AI-powered content. The core metric you need to understand is RPM, which stands for Revenue Per Miller, meaning the amount you earn per 1,000 views. For a channel covering AI, technology, and careers, exactly the niche this channel operates in, RPM typically falls between £5 and £40 per 1,000 views. The variation is significant and depends on your audience location, the time of year, and how well your content attracts advertiser spend. At the lower end, a channel generating 50,000 views per month earns roughly £250 from AdSense alone. At the higher end of the RPM range, 50,000 views produces £2,000. The difference comes down to niche, audience quality, and whether your content attracts premium advertisers in finance, technology, and career development, which this channel's content does. To reach 50,000 views per month from a standing start typically takes 6 to 12 months of consistent publishing. 2 videos per week, combined with active distribution on Reddit, LinkedIn, and social platforms. Channels that publish consistently and distribute actively reach this milestone significantly faster than those that publish and wait. The key insight about AdSense is that it is a lagging income stream. The work you do today pays off in 3 to 6 months. That is not a reason to avoid it. It is a reason to start immediately, so the compounding begins now rather than later. And critically, AdSense revenue is recurring and growing. A video that earns today will still be earning in 2 years, because YouTube search is a permanent source of ongoing traffic. Income stream 2 is digital products. And this is where the income timeline compresses significantly. A well-positioned PDF guide, template pack, or short course can start generating income from the day it is published, regardless of your subscriber count. The channel does not need to be monetized. You do not need a minimum audience. You need a product that solves a real problem for the people who are already watching your content. However few of them there are at the start. The realistic income range for a digital product priced between £5 and £15 sold to a YouTube audience is as follows. At 200 views per video and a 2% conversion rate, which is conservative, you are selling 4 guides per video at £8 each. That is £32 per video. With 2 videos per week, that is £256 per month from digital products alone, with 0 subscribers and very modest view counts. At 1,000 views per video, still a relatively modest number, that same 2% conversion rate produces 40 sales per month across 2 weekly uploads. At £8 each, that is £320. And as your channel grows, both numbers scale proportionally. The conversion rate improves significantly when the product is clearly positioned, the thumbnail creates curiosity, and the link is in the right places. The first line of the description, the pinned comment, and mentioned verbally in the first minute of the video. Get those 3 placements right, and 2% is a floor, not a ceiling. Income stream 3 is affiliate marketing. And the economics here are straightforward once you understand the mechanics. Affiliate marketing means recommending products and tools you genuinely use with a trackable link and earning a commission when someone buys through that link. For a channel in the AI and career niche, the most natural affiliate products are the tools featured in your videos. AI software platforms, online learning subscriptions, and relevant books and equipment through Amazon Associates. The commission rates vary significantly by product type. Amazon Associates pays between 1 and 4.5% on most categories, which sounds modest but compounds quickly on higher value purchases. A viewer who clicks your microphone recommendation and then buys a laptop in the same Amazon session generates commission on the laptop too. Not just the microphone, because of how the Amazon cookie works. Software affiliates tend to pay more generously. Learning platforms and AI tool subscriptions often pay between 20 and 45% of the first payment, and sometimes recurring commissions on every subsequent month the customer stays subscribed. A single referral to a learning platform with a monthly subscription can generate commission for 12 months or more. For a channel with 5,000 monthly views, realistic affiliate income sits between £50 and £200 per month, depending on how naturally the recommendations are integrated. For a channel with 50,000 monthly views, that range moves to £500 to £2,000. The key variable is not audience size, it is relevance. A perfectly matched product recommendation to a small engaged audience consistently outperforms a mismatched recommendation to a large passive one. Income stream 4 is AI freelancing and consulting. The income stream with the highest per hour rate and the shortest time to first payment. As AI tools become embedded in every industry, businesses of all sizes face the same problem. They know they need to use AI. They do not know how to get started, which tools to choose, how to prompt effectively, or how to integrate AI into their existing workflows. That gap is a genuine commercial opportunity for anyone who has spent meaningful time developing practical AI skills. The services most in demand right now are AI tool selection and setup for small businesses, prompt engineering and workflow optimization, AI content strategy for companies building content marketing, and training sessions for teams who need to upskill quickly. Rates for these services vary by experience and client type. Entry-level AI consultants charge between £30 and £60 per hour for setup and training work. More experienced practitioners with a track record and case studies charge between £100 and £250 per hour for strategic work. A single client engagement of 10 hours at £40 per hour produces £400. More than many channels earn from AdSense in their first year. The YouTube channel serves this income stream directly even before it is monetized. A body of published content on AI and careers functions as a public portfolio. Businesses who find your videos in search or on social media see someone who understands the space, communicates clearly, and can explain complex topics accessibly. That is exactly what a consulting client is looking for. The channel is both a content business and a lead generation engine. So let us put the 4 streams together and look at what a realistic combined income picture looks like at different stages of channel growth. In the first 3 months, before monetization, the realistic income comes from digital products and affiliate links. Potentially £100 to £400 per month on modest view counts. Not transformative, but real, and it compounds from week 1. Between months 4 and 9, with growing view counts and the channel approaching or passing the monetization threshold, combined income from all 4 streams realistically reaches £500 to £1,500 per month for a consistently publishing channel that is actively distributing its content. Beyond month 12, for a channel with 10,000 or more subscribers and consistent publishing, the combined income across AdSense, digital products, affiliates, and occasional consulting or sponsorship work reaches and frequently exceeds £1,500 to £3,000 per month. These are not guarantee figures. They are what the data from comparable channels in comparable niches shows is achievable with consistent effort, smart distribution, and the right product ecosystem in place. The AI Proof, your career guide, linked in the description, is the starting point for that product ecosystem. It is 14 pages, and it is available as an instant download right now. Subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and drop a comment with the income stream you are going to focus on first. I read every single one.